turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer,
Great. It was wonderful. Thank you, great driver. For me, my co-driver.
How are you? That was great.
That was the best experience. It was amazing.
Great, fantastic.
great?
Oh,
What,
thrill of my life right there. That was unbelievable.
what was the best thing on the trip?
In the circle, doing the
On the-
sideways and around. It was
On the
great.
Hero Square.
Oh yeah, fantastic.
Okay.
Thank you from Canada.
How are you?
Fine,
That
thank
was
you.
great.
It was so much fun. It's great.
What was the best thing on the trip?
Probably when we spun around.
Yes, on the
That
Hero
was so much
Square.
fun.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was so exciting. A lot of fun.
Okay, and what was the best thing on the trip?
Taking the spins in Hero Square.
yes.
Yes, love that. Yes, the spins
Okay.
for sure.